Hi, I'm Sharon. Welcome to my theory tuition series where I'm working with you step by step through the ABRSM theory grades. There are lots of resources available to help you. If you go to my website, if you go to sharonbill.com, you'll find some free PDF information sheets and you can download those in US letter or A4 to accompany each step of this series to help you. There's a page there with links to all of my YouTube video tutorials, and you can also find out about the books that I have available. I've written an exam technique guide, how to take your ABRSM Music Theory Exam. It's full of tips and techniques on how to best prepare for your exam and also how to make the best use of your time come exam day when you're actually working through your exam paper. So if you visit sharonbill.com, you'll find it's all there. If you can give me a like, that would be really super, and please do subscribe to my channel and please share out the videos. And now we're going to look at the last question at the end of the specimen paper of 2018 grade 4 practice paper. So if you turn to the back of the booklet to page 27, and we'll have a look at these questions. These are the harmony questions, and I don't know why these are always my favourite question. Maybe it's because it's the last question on the paper, I don't know. I just like working on harmony questions. And once you've mapped out what your chords are, all the thinking's done, and it's a pretty easy 15 marks if you just take your time. So we're asked to name these chords. We're told that we're in the key of F major, so let's just find out what we're going to be looking for. In F major, we're looking for chords 1, 4, and 5. You can say tonic, subdominant, dominant, but the Roman numerals are quite acceptable, and that's kind of the standard way. That will be what you'll be working with in advanced levels. So then in F major, of course, chord 1 is built on the first degree of the scale. Chord 4 is built on the fourth degree, F, G, A, B. Of course, it's B flat, but your key signature deals with that. And then chord 5 is built on the fifth degree of the scale, which is C. Now we'll build up our triad, first, third, fifth, F, A, C. If you find that difficult to do, use piano keyboard, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, F, A, C. And then we're going from B, D, F, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So B, D, F. And C, E, G, and we can double check that we've started chord 5 correctly because it's the end of chord 1, the beginning of chord 5. So that's the thinking done, and now we've just got to see what's going on here. So in chord 1 we've got a B, a D, an F and a B, so that's chord 4 nicely allocated there. So here we have an F, C, F, A, that's chord 1. And here we have a C, G, C, E. It's just getting used to jumping clefs, I suppose. And there's chord 5. And that's 6 marks, easy peasy. Let's press on. Now it's the same thinking for this next section, but we've just got to extend our thinking a little bit further. Now we've got to write key signatures and then triads. The key signatures, if at the beginning of your exam paper you write out your circle of fifths, you've already done your thinking for this. This is all of the keys. You don't need to go to this number. This is all of them, the whole circle of fifths. If you're not sure how to do that, there's links in the cards and also in the description with my video tutorial explaining everything about the circle of fifths, so do check that out because this is such a fab way of getting all of your major and minor keys down straight away. So if you've done that, you've already done your thinking. So B major has a key signature of F, C, G, D and A sharps. We've got to put those in the alto clef, and then the tonic is built on chord, the first note of the scale, which will be a B, first, third, fifth, B, D, F. We've got to build it on the B. So let's put the key signature in. So fitting this into the alto clef, F, C, G, D, A. There we go. Now we've got to find a B. If this is middle C, one step down is B, first, third, fifth, and once you've got your tonic, once you've got your root note, it's space, 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 or line, line, line. So that's easy peasy. Okay, next one, F minor. Now F minor is related to A flat major. It has a key signature of B flats, E flats, A flats, and D flats. Now if chord 1 is F, the first degree of the scale is F, let's count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, F, G, A, B, C, C, E, G. We're not quite done yet though, because if you remember, in the middle of chord 5 we always find the 7th degree of the scale, which we need to raise. At the moment it's a flat, so we need to make sure that's raised as a natural. In the middle of chord 5 we always have to watch out for that middle note as the raised 7th in a minor key. So now we know we need to find a C. So first of all, key signature. We've done the thinking, let's pop it in. B flats, E flats, A flats, D flats, and then we need a C. You can pick any octave, I'll go here. C, first, third, fifth, C, E, G, and then we raise the 7th degree of the scale, which always falls in the middle. There we go. Last one. So C sharp minor is related to E major, which has a key signature of F, C, G, D sharps. And then we need to do the subdominant, so we need to do chord 4. So if chord 1 is built on C sharp, chord 4, C, D, E, F, is F, A, C. Of course it will be sharps, but your key signature will take care of that. It's only the raised 7th that you've got to adjust. So bass clef, F, C, G, D, and then chord 4 is built on the 4th degree of the scale, which is an F. So there's an F, and then we build up our triad. 1, 3, 5. There we go. So that's 50 marks, I think, nice and easy. Especially if you've got your circle of fifths and you've done all of your thinking of your major and minor keys straight away. So do check out the links in the cards and the description to get that video tutorial help. That's the end of that question, and that's the end of that paper, and that's the end of that book of papers. I do hope that's been helpful to you. I hope it's helping you to get to grips with your studies. These past papers are an excellent revision resource, and they are a valuable resource to help you prepare for your exam. I do suggest you work through lots of these, and I've worked through lots of these online to help you through it. So I would make use of that. Please give me a like, that would be super, and please subscribe to my channel to keep updated and share out those videos. And please also do visit sharonbill.com and have a look at all the resource and information that's available to help you there. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.